Yeah. Let's see if I instantly get tagged.
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Great first shot, man.
Hit. It's up to you, Jackson.
Nice move.
Uh-huh. A little bit suicidal.
I think if he keeps the leg in bounds, he's fine.
Uh-huh.
You gotta stay inside. There you go. We're letting up an after.
Is it dead man talk rules or? Oh, nice shot. On the right, and then I might push up.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Look out for Josh. Damn. Oh crap. Indeed. Hit. Good luck.
Yeah.
Do dead men tell tales? Alright, it's down to 1.
Seems to be tight enough with it would rip through the barrier.
Yeah, I ended up missing when he went and rushed you, so this is my bad.
No, you're good. No, I'm talking about the barriers. I thought
Look out, Ray.
I thought the darts would pierce it.
She
Going for flag! Flag! Flag!
Alright, ready. 3, 2, 1.
hit.
Hit! Should be good. Jackson, middle blue.
Look out, Jackson.
He's on the right, he's on the right.
Oh,
I got him.
it's a tough position.
Oh, sorry, I forgot that. My bad.
2, 1, go.
I still missed. Hit. Yeah.
Jackson mid red, Ray back left.
Hit.
Ooh, it's about to go to 5 points. Unless there's a flag run. Just try to stop a flag rush.
Flag!
All right.
Starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice, good shot. Oh, sorry. All right. Oh.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, crap.
Oh, nice!
Hit.
Came out. Yeah, I got it!
Yeah.
Oh, that was a white.
Ah, all right.
Oh!
Lay down.
You finally got me!
Hit. That's match. Yeah.
That's my eyebrow, man. Stand on the left, stand on the left. Beth, left.
All right. Oh, it ended up working out.
They're like 2 shots.
Gamble, for sure.
That was more than 2 shots. Well, like Orb's favorite. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, shit. Ooh.
I'm just so glad that they've not actually like hit me.
1v1.
Hit me run.
1v1.
Like, literally like running.
Down to the right.
Center! Are you out or in?
Dropping the mag off rip was a little awkward. Okay. Good try, good try.
Bye bye puppies. I don't even know how I'm holding
Ready?
my grip. I just hold it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, I missed still. Yeah.
Ready, go.
Hit. Look out, Jackson.
I got him pinned.
Look out, Jackson. Oh, good shot.
That's top tier. Dude, he didn't even hit. He knew it was gonna hit me.
Look out, Jackson.
He's reloading. Go, 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 go. He's reloading.
Oh, that's match.
Yeah, that's bad.
Shame.
Dude, that was.
Yeah.
You shot me and you just looked away at me because you knew it was over. Go.
Oh, crap.
All right, Beth, it's up to you.
That's right. Yeah, what's that?
Man, teamwork.
That slide came off.
Both
though.
like the exact same time.
It was Ray and
Nice.
Sam that shot me.
There's
and
no
you shot me like half a second
communication.
later.
I got like 19 rounds.
7 shots left.
Okay, let's see.
Like,
Let's give you 3.
Yeah.
And give you 2.
Yeah, that's all I need.
Yeah. Nice. Sorry about that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Shit. Blaster hit, looked like. Yeah. Shit. I actually got a failure to feed. Uh-huh. I was just trying to keep him distracted so you could pull through.
Yeah. That begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
That begins in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, nice shot.
Shit. Yeah. Hit. Good shot. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Red team, you ready?
Yeah.
Match begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hit. Look out, Adam. It's 2v1.
He's like a wild mongoose out there. Just let him go. Never mind, he's loaded.
Yeah. All right, that's.
Nice shot.
Good job, guys.
Some. Oh shit, too high. Damn.
Yeah.
Good shot.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Like take the right and I just run past the middle and then start shooting. Really, really dumb.
Yeah.
Is the number going up?
I think so. Yep.
Okay. All right. Look out, Josh. Ah. That's a shot off the break. Good shot. Oh, look out, Gray's on the left. Crazy shot though. Yeah. Oh,
Ready.
Ready.
I didn't get to use the ammo.
3, 2, 1, go!
Nice.
Got him!
Good shot, Josh. Now it's even.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Red team, ready?
Yeah.
Blue team, are you ready?
Ready. Yep, gotcha.
Let's coordinate. You can move up. All right.
Something happened.
Damn, we're both up mid. Hit. You got this, Josh.
Ray, watch it! Where is it? Watch it, watch it! No! Don't!
Oh, 4-2.
This is when you tackle!
Doc, how much did you have? You gonna beat up children for that? I pay for entertainment. You don't watch Beth on the 6-year-old.
Will you go for mid or?
I'll take that right there.
Okay.
And I'll point to that to make them do that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, post back middle. Josh back left.
Hit. Look out, Beth's in the middle. Ah. I. Ooh. Beth's moving up to mid. Oh, good shot.
If I kept my hand in, that wouldn't have worked.
Ah.
Yeah, it got me right in the back of the wrist.
Josh, talk to me.
All right, gray center, Ray
Oh.
left.
Let me know if they're pushing.
No one's pushing, no one's moving. Ray's peeking, Ray's down, Gray's out, just Ray.
Tuck in.
Down.
Ah.
He aimed for that kick this time.
Where's Fly at?
They're both back middle.
All right.
Got Ray.
Hit.
Got him. Oh.
Good shot. That's a 3-0.